Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S2, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device with Ampere app. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the application. Here click yes, I agree, be close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and as you can see our battery health is good. Yeah, so also we got here more information about our battery's temperature, the level, the Android version and model of our device, and more other info. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.